Join me for a quick demo of our slide-in or bolt-in angle iron real estate sign frames. Installing the frame is as simple as stepping the frame into the ground. Rocky or frozen ground might need to be drilled before installing the sign frame. 040 sign blanks can be used, and they'll benefit from adding small bolts as they flop around a bit too much without them. Our frames are made from 3/4 inch angle iron and should last for years. 4mm thick corrugated plastic signs can also be used, and with the extra thickness, they won't flop around as much as thin aluminum. You can add some zip ties to your corrugated plastic signs if you desire some extra security in high winds.